welcome back to our S&S Outdoors video. Today we're testing out Soli's new boat at Lake Sinclair. We're going to be fishing with swim baits, Texas rigs, and a few other things. So I'm starting out throwing a Texas rigged worm. What are you throwing, Soli? So this is a 3/8 ounce weight.
Oh, he has one.
Roger got one.
Hey, Raj.
Oh, there's the big one.
Oh. There you go, baby.
Tiny largemouth. Oh my gosh.
It's awesome, Raj.
I told you how to show you guys how to fish.
Nice catch.
Got it.
Okay, well, let him go.
Woo. Alright, so it's day number 2. We're gonna keep fishing on this boat.
Got one. Got one.
Oh, I got one on the jig.
All right, nice.
Yeah, on the jig.
Nice.
The black and blue Guggen Squad juicy jig with a zoom bait Z-Hog in the black and blue color
Right in
as
the
well.
corner of the mouth.
It's like a 3/4 pounder.
Yeah.
Nice. Good job. That's your first jig fish, right?
Yeah, good.
Nice.
I definitely know I caught it.
Nice. Where was it?
Right on top of these. I don't see any line.
I got one. It's a catfish.
Wait, is that the same
You just lost the lure thing?
Yeah.
A catfish on the blade bait. It's a little channel catfish. Hooked really well.
It's right in the top of the mouth. I don't know.
Oh. All 3 hook points. Got it. Yes. All right.
Ready?
Yep. Nice. That was a catfish on the blade bait. We've caught 2 species on it. On this little guy. A perch and a catfish. The perch is off camera, unfortunately, but it's by Cabela's. I think it's a mean eye blade bait. I'd recommend it. It's 1/2 ounce. It's on a 12-pound test line. Oh, swirl, 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 swirls. Oh my gosh. So many squirrels right there. I think there's a school. Got one. On the swim bait. First cast on the swim bait. Woo! First cast with the swim bait. There, got it. Nice little pounder. Back to the depths. So we fished for about another hour, and we didn't really catch anything else, but we still had a lot of fun.
Yeah,
Thank you for watching today's S&S Outdoors video. Hope you enjoyed it. We had a lot of fun making it. And if you did like it, make sure you subscribe and like this video and check out our other ones. And we'll see you next video.